Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning modern villa set in a lush forest environment. The house features a sleek design with a sharply sloped roof, large floor-to-ceiling glass windows, and walls made of natural stone combined with dark steel framing. Warm lighting from the interior highlights a stylish living space, including a cozy lounge area, a dining room, and a staircase leading upstairs. The exterior includes a spacious wooden deck with modern outdoor seating and a central fire pit, creating a perfect spot for relaxation. The villa seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, surrounded by greenery, large rocks, and landscaped plants, giving it a serene and harmonious connection with nature. A modern stone house with a flat roof, blending contemporary architecture with natural surroundings. The exterior walls are built from light gray stone blocks, complemented by large floor-to-ceiling glass windows and black frames that create an open, airy look. The house features a spacious wooden deck with cozy outdoor seating, including a gray sofa, a coffee table, and accent decor like pumpkins, flowers, and woven baskets, giving it a warm autumn atmosphere. Soft lighting enhances the inviting ambience, both inside and outside, with a visible fireplace adding to the cozy charm. The landscaped yard is decorated with large rocks, ornamental grasses, and autumn trees in the background, completing the serene and stylish setting. A beautiful modern rustic house nestled in the forest. The exterior is built with natural stone walls combined with a sleek dark metal roof, creating a balance between tradition and contemporary style. Large windows and glass doors allow warm light to illuminate the cozy interior, making the home feel inviting. The front terrace is designed with comfortable outdoor seating, perfect for relaxation and enjoying nature. Surrounding the house are well-maintained gardens with lush greenery, trimmed bushes, and tall trees, adding to the tranquil atmosphere. The overall scene captures a harmonious blend of architecture and natural beauty, giving the home a peaceful, elegant charm. A row of modern luxury townhouses at sunset. The architecture combines sleek contemporary design with natural stone and dark metal accents, creating a sophisticated yet inviting look. Large floor-to-ceiling windows allow warm indoor lighting to glow outward, enhancing the cozy atmosphere as evening falls. Each unit features a landscaped front garden with carefully arranged greenery, shrubs, and accent lighting that highlights the stone facade. The homes have wide driveways with stylish glass panel garage doors, giving a clean and elegant finish. Tall trees in the background add a serene natural setting, perfectly complementing the upscale suburban neighborhood. A luxurious modern villa with a sleek contemporary design. The house features large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing plenty of natural light to flow inside. The exterior combines stone, wood, and smooth concrete finishes, giving it a stylish and sophisticated look. The villa has multiple levels, including spacious balconies and a rooftop terrace surrounded by glass railings, offering panoramic views. On the ground level, a beautiful wooden deck extends around a rectangular infinity pool, with elegant lounge chairs and an outdoor seating area for relaxation. Lush greenery, palm trees, and a landscaped garden surround the property, enhancing its tropical and serene atmosphere. Warm ambient lighting from the interior creates a cozy and inviting glow, highlighting the modern furnishings and open living spaces inside. This home perfectly blends luxury, comfort, and contemporary architectural elegance. A stunning modern mountain cabin nestled in a misty forest. The house features a bold architectural design with a dramatic sloped roof, expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows, and natural stone walls. Warm golden interior lighting contrasts beautifully with the cool, foggy atmosphere outside, creating a cozy and inviting ambience. The spacious wooden deck is furnished with comfortable outdoor seating, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings of rocks, moss, and tall trees. The overall scene exudes tranquility, modern luxury, and a perfect retreat into nature. A stunning modern stone house nestled in a serene forest setting. The architecture combines rustic charm with contemporary design, featuring tall stone walls, expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows, and a sleek sloped roof. Warm ambient lighting from inside the house creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, beautifully contrasting with the cool tones of the surrounding rocks and autumn foliage. The spacious outdoor patio, furnished with comfortable seating, blends seamlessly with nature, offering a perfect retreat for relaxation. The overall scene highlights harmony between modern architecture and the tranquility of the natural environment. A stunning modern luxury villa with a sophisticated architectural design. The exterior is characterized by a harmonious blend of natural stone walls, dark metal framing, and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows that create a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. The house has multiple levels, including spacious balconies and terraces that overlook a sleek swimming pool in the foreground. Warm ambient lighting from the interior enhances the elegance of the open-plan living and dining spaces, as well as the contemporary kitchen visible through the glass. Outdoor lounge chairs are arranged beside the pool, adding to the villa's serene and stylish atmosphere. Surrounded by lush greenery and with city high-rises in the background, the home perfectly balances modern urban living with natural tranquility. A modern cozy house nestled in a serene forest setting during autumn. The home features a sleek design with a flat roof, large floor-to-ceiling glass windows, and walls made of natural stone. Warm ambient lighting from the ceiling and interior creates a welcoming glow that contrasts beautifully with the cool outdoor atmosphere. The open deck, made of dark wood, extends into the yard and is decorated with stepping stones, potted plants, and a built-in fire feature. Surrounding the house are tall trees with autumn foliage, scattering golden and brown leaves across the ground, enhancing the tranquil and picturesque environment. This house perfectly blends contemporary architecture with nature, offering both comfort and harmony with its surroundings. A stunning lakeside stone house with a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. The home features rustic stone walls, large floor-to-ceiling glass windows, and a cozy outdoor lounge area furnished with soft beige cushions and a wooden coffee table. The patio extends right to the edge of the clear water, where natural rocks and small stone steps create a serene connection to the lake. Inside, warm lighting highlights a library with wooden shelves filled with books, adding a sense of comfort and sophistication. Surrounded by lush green trees and overlooking calm blue waters, the setting exudes tranquility and natural beauty, making it a perfect retreat in harmony with nature.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.